We've added the option inside our chamfer recognition of choosing direction for cutting, and we've added the option of conventional. Before, it would only work in climb. This is extremely helpful when working on brittle material. If we were to take a look in this particular case, I've chosen a geometry of just one face, this one over here. And of course, I've chosen my chamfer mill, my levels, going down to 0.5 millimeter. And in my technology, I've chosen the option of working conventional. If we were to take a look now at our simulation, you'll see the following. As our tool runs, you can see it's working in the conventional direction. As you can see over here, it is going from this area up along this edge. Climb milling would be just the opposite way, but in conventional, this is the way we will be cutting. So now we've added that option inside of chamfer recognition.